My holy brothers, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy to the religious study. Leviticus 19, verse 11 to 16, pinagdaging letters what another. Leviticus 19, verse 11. Proverbs 1, verse 6. Go to the ancient laggard, consider its praise and reward. Proverbs 8, verse 6. Psalm 36, verse 9. For with you is the fountain of life. In your life you see life. Psalm 36, verse 9. Matthew 1, verse 21. He will give birth to a son, and you are to give him the name Jesus, because he will take evil from them.
Ako na po.